So let's see how to add the search bar to your Wix website. Adding a search bar to your Wix website enhances user experience by allowing visitors to find content quickly. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to add search bar into your Wix website. First, you will need to open your Wix website on your browser. Let's just wait, and then once you're in, click Design Your Website. You will see a plus button on the top left corner of your Wix. It is labeled as Add Elements, and after you click it, you should find Input, which is located here. And as you can see, there are a lot of options you could choose to drag and drop on your design. Pick one and drop it on your panel. After you put it, your search bar, click Publish, then click View Site. So in my case, I already drag and drop it, which is here, and then I will click this one, and then I'll view site. Here, you'll able to see the preview of it, and as you can see, there's the search bar on the site already, and that's how to add the search bar to your Wix. See you soon!